Hi, I am Engineer Richard Aquino. Today, we will explore the Graphical Rapid Analysis of Structures program, or GRAS in short. Here is the program discussing first with the elements of the GRAS screen. As a standard window, at the top portion is the title bar, and next to it is the menu bar. And you will see there is the file menu, edit menu, structure menu, loading, perform, view, tables, options, and help. We will explore this one later on. Below the menu bar is the toolbar. You will see a lot of icons. The lower portion is what we call the status bar, wherein you will see the functions and the coordinates. This white screen is the main window of the software, or we call it the drawing area. Where you will be able to draw a two-dimensional structure. First, we will look at the file menu. You will see in the file menu there are different functions, wherein if you see an ellipsis means you have to have another dialog box, and you can use that in this particular problem. Also, you can open new, save as, import data, export results, delete result files, page setup, report setup, print report, print preview report, print structure view, print preview structure view, and of course the previous files that you use. Or you can also click exit to exit the software. The next menu is the edit menu with the standard Windows command: copy, cut, paste, and delete. Also, you can copy current view. You can select member, select all members, or unselect all members. Also, you can select node, select all nodes, and you can do unselect all nodes. Next to that is the structure menu, wherein you can have two options for the structure: frame structure or truss structure. Also, here you can click for add member numeric, delete member, member properties. You can split the member array, or you can release the member and release. Also, you can have nodal restraints, move node, change nodal coordinates, and the material. Here, if you click the material properties dialog box will come out, and you will notice the default material is concrete with the modulus of elasticity of 20,500 megapascal with its unit weight of 24 kilonewton per meter cube. Using this dialog box, you can add another material. You can also delete material. You can modify, and then you can click close. Going back to the structure menu, you can add some dimensions, or you can delete. Also, if you want, you can use this project title info to add the project number, the project name, the client, the location, and the username, so that later on when you will have a lot of files, it's easier for you to remember. For this, we can cancel at this moment. Also, if you want the past analysis, you can just use structure wizard. In the structure wizard, you will see there are 4 steps. You can just choose first the particular structure, then you may continue by clicking next, and you will have step 2, by using or by uh, applying the number of bays, the number of stories, the typical view width, the typical story height, etc. You can click next so that you can choose the particular section where the default material is concrete and the default section is 300 by 300, and then you can click finish command button. Aside from that, we have the loading menu wherein you can add load case, you can also edit load case, or you can delete load case. Aside from that, you can generate the self weight of the structure. So you don't need to compute its self weight. Also, we can have the design envelope, member loads, and the nodal loads. After loading, we can have the perform menu. You can do the self-load calculation first and then do the analysis. You can also remove unused node at this using this function. We also have the view menu wherein you can see the overall setup or see the utility, redraw, zoom in, zoom out, zoom window, zoom all, zoom previous, or pan. Here you can select or you can show the member numbers or labels, the member outline, or you can show all the members or only horizontal members, only vertical members, only inclined members, or a selected member or none. Also, you can show the node numbers and levels, the nodal restraints, the dimension lines, the applied member loads, applied nodal loads, applied load values, deflected shape, bending moment, shear force, axial force, reactions, no results, result values, and member details. Also, at the table menu, you can see the member information, the nodal information, the materials used, the applied member loads, applied nodal loads, the member forces, the nodal reactions, nodal displacements, and the design envelope. Aside from that, we also have the options menu wherein you can customize some parts of the program. You can select the units, you can put some limits, and use the grid system. Also, you can scale up results, scale down results, reset results scale, and you can show tooltips and save settings on exit. And the last menu is the help menu, wherein you can have some help. You can click help topics or search for help about this one. Or the last one, about. This is about the program. You can see GRASS version 1.2 Pro Edition, the Graphical Rapid Analysis of Structures program, which is developed by Abdul Rauf with the copyright 1997 to 2000, which is licensed to CMU Mindanao. That's for the menu. And of course, at the bottom of the menu, you will have the different icons. If you just put the mouse over the icon, it will show you the different functions. Declare data and start new structures. Open previously saved structure data file. Save structure. Copy. Paste. Delete. Cut. Analyze structure as frame. Analyze structure as truss. Perform the analysis. Remove unattached nodes. Grid options. Structure viewing options. Redraw. Zoom in. Zoom out. Zoom window. Zoom previous. Zoom all. Pan. toggle node numbers, levels, toggle member numbers, levels. At the next line is you can select or unselect members, select unselect nodes, add member, add member numerically, delete member, change member properties, split member, member array, member end releases, modify nodal restraint, move nodes, modify nodal coordinates, add dimension lines, delete dimension lines, add nodal loads, add member loads, edit material properties, delete detailed results, the show results without values, show results with values, show no results, increase scale of plotted results, decrease scale of plotted results, show the form shape, show bending moment diagram, show shear force diagram, show axial force diagram, and lastly, show support reactions. At the right side of these toolbars, you will see a drop-down menu. This is for the load case. You can have the basic load cases, the self-load, the dead load, the live load, and the combination load cases, the service load, ultimate load, and the envelope, the design envelope and all. As soon as you add another load case or another basic load case, it will add up at this portion. Below is the status bar. Here, the status of the cursor is member add. The description, drag mouse from member starting point to ending point. On the right side is the coordinates. Here, the status is 6 meters and -1. So wherever you put your mouse over, that coordinates will change. This large white portion is the main window or the drawing area. That's all for today for the exploration of the GRASS program.